Z&M Mandoline slicer for kitchen, adjustable stainless steel vegetable slicer, French fry cutter with waffle maker for food, cheese, fruits, potato julienne, sand brush and cut resistant gloves. Our Mandoline food slicer has 2 buttons to adjust for 2 blades, a total of 10 slicing effect. JOYHILL V-Blade Mandoline slicer for kitchen, 420 stainless steel vegetable chopper for potato and onion, food julienne slicers with safety gloves and blade guard. Equipped with ultra-sharp 420 grade stainless steel and non-toxic ABS base, our V-Blade slicer could be a good helper of kitchen by improving the efficiency of food prepared and guaranteeing the food safe of your family. Our Mandoline slicing tools can be your most versatile vegetable chopper or cutter by 5 interchangeable blades. 1.5mm, 2.5mm and 3.5mm plus julienne plate 3.5 and 7mm for precise slicing. Geohee vegetable chopper 5-in-1 multifunctional food chopper for kitchen accessories, onion chopper with 5 blades and container Mandoline slicer for kitchen inserer. The vegetable chopper has 5 different blades that can be changed to allow you to easily cut the shape you like. Comes with a 1.2 liters collection container that allows you to cut food directly into the container, making it convenient and easy to cook your salads. The food chopper is your trusted kitchen accessories. Elabli Pro vegetable chopper with 8 blades, Mandoline slicer, onion chopper, dicer, egg separator, slicer, vegetable chopper, cutter, slicer, food chopper, dicer, slicer with container for kitchen. Everything you need in this multifunctional 10-in-1 chopper vegetable cutter. Our hand food choppers and dicers equipped with 8 interchangeable stainless steel blades, include egg separator, large capacity container, drain basket, protective cover and more. Let your julienne shred, chop, dice, grate, and slice vegetables with easy. Now start enjoying your kitchen fun with Elabli onion slicer. (3mm to 9mm), including the ability to make waffle fries or Philly potatoes strip. Food slicer save you time in food preparation.